Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's Mimi LeVay and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be giving you guys a high puff tutorial. Now, I know it's a lot of hating ass females out there who going to be like, she doing a high puff tutorial. Everybody does that. That is so old. We know how to do that. We've been knowing how to do that since we was 8. First of all, shut up. If you don't need to learn, you don't need to watch the video. I mean, you should watch the video because you here, but if you don't want to watch it, you don't got to watch it, like, period. So the first thing I like to do, especially if I'm like, if my hair is like really dry and stuff, like if I just want to put, like, throw a ponytail on my head so I can run somewhere or something, like, I like to, you know, give it a little bit more life. So I go in first with my concoction that I made. You don't need to see the name on it because it's a concoction that I made. So basically it's aloe vera. Let me turn this light down. Okay. Basically it's aloe vera, coconut oil, tea tree oil, avocado oil, and then it's a little bit of Cantu detangler. So yeah, I spray this in my hair. Most of the time I spray it when my hair is really dry. Like, I really don't necessarily need it, but I thought since I'm doing a video on it, I should put that step in there because, like, some people need this. Like, some people's hair is like brittle, dry, and you need to, like, freshen it up, bring it back to life before you try to throw a ponytail in it. So I'm gonna go in with that. I massage that in a little bit, and then I go in with my detangler brush. Okay, so then when you get your edges basically brushed, I go in with my Eco Styling Gel. I love my Eco Styling Gel. Y'all, I love this gel. Like, anything I do, all I need is some Eco Styling Gel. And make sure you get that nape, because you know that kitchen be look around that kitchen nappy, them B2Bs. I haven't heard nobody say B2Bs in so long, y'all. But anyway, I go in with my regular brush. And then to do your ponytail is with the new hair ties, because if you use the older ones, for some reason it just, especially if you have really long hair or if you have really thick hair, it just, like, when you use the ones that are like already stretched out and stuff, it won't hold, like, it will just be like loose. So that's a trick I learned: use new hair ties. So I'm gonna go back in with this brush just to get my hair all gathered again. And see this, okay, this is a perfect example as to why I use this brush. Now you see how my ponytail is looking like smaller than it normally would? That's because the middle of my hair is not basically cooperating. So I'm gonna go back in with my spray, and then I'm gonna just use my hands to, like, pull it out and puff it out so that it could actually go into the ponytail and not be, like, sitting on the top of my head. Let's get into this hair though. Like, y'all, I love my hair so much. Like, I'm telling you, if you're not natural, you just ain't doing it right. You just ain't. So once I get my ponytail in, I play with it a little bit just to get it, you know, nice and tight and like puffed out, you know, make sure ain't nothing shriveled up in there. And then this is the part where I'm going to do my edges. Yes, I have edges. No, I'm not bald headed. What did you think? Be some own voice, be some own tone. Did you think I was bald headed? So I actually have an edge brush, but I think my mom took my edge brush. She keeps trying to say she didn't, but my edge brush is gone and I don't know where it's at. So who else took it, Mom? Nah, but so I've been using this, my old toothbrush. They work just as fine, just as good. The only difference is the edge brush actually has like a little comb at the bottom, so that makes it easier for you to like shape your edges. And how I like to do my edges is I will go in with the brush and I will hold my hair like this and I'll brush out my edges. Now the thing that I hate about my hair, like I have edges, but I swear y'all, my edges is so long. Like I could never just get like a perfect look. I have to do so much work to get my edges to cooperate. So now I've been trying to pull out the really little hairs that I could possibly pull out, because the other hairs are like so long, like it's annoying. I don't know, maybe it's my hairline that's like making my edges not come out how I be wanting them to. I don't know, but okay, so I go back in with my Eco Styling Gel. That's the first thing I do for my edges. Just go like over them with a little bit of Eco Styling Gel. And yeah. Like get them laid down first. That's the first step when you're doing your edges, you know. Get them edges laid and slayed. Okay, so once you got it laid down and everything, then you want to go back in with some edge control. The reason I go back in with edge control is because, like I said, my hair curls up a lot. So whenever I use my Eco Styling Gel, it don't last. Like my hair always end up curling back up. Even when I use the edge control, it still curls back up, but it takes a way longer time to curl back up when I use my edge control. So the edge control I use is Murray's Edge Wax. Dang, like I don't know why you can't see nothing. Okay, there we go. Edge Wax, that's my favorite edge control. It holds the best, I feel like. And I better not see nobody under my post talking about, she got a bald spot. She got a bald spot here. She ain't got no line. Let me see somebody on my comments. But then I go in and do my thug thizzle with the mud freaking edges, which is actually kind of harder than you think. Like I know y'all be seeing people doing their edges and they be like, dang, like how they be like how y'all damn, like who thought you had to do your edges? But that goes into play that my edges are really long, so they don't cooperate like how I be wanting. See, like Annoying. So annoying. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. My camera had the nerve to turn off right in the midst of me doing my edges. Like, come on now. You know you wrong for what you did. Now you know you wrong for what you did. What I do? Y'all seen that video? That video is funny as hell. So for me, that's all it takes to do my edges. Like, I don't really be having to do all that. Because first of all, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I really don't know how to do all that. And my hair just don't cooperate like that. So and then just go in right here just to make sure like you didn't have no loose hairs or nothing. And then I go in after that, after I do my edges, I go in with my scarf. So y'all already know you gotta use a scarf to lay your edges. Don't act like you don't know, because I know you know. This is just gonna make your hair stick for a little bit longer, like your edges and stuff. It's just gonna have it a little bit more smooth. And I mean, it just all depends on how your hair is. Some people have to leave their scarf on overnight. Some people can leave their scarf on for a few minutes. Like, it all depends on how your hair is. So however your hair is, that's how long you should leave your scarf on, whatever it takes to keep your hair laid down. For me, it only takes a little bit of time, a few minutes, to keep my hair laid down with the scarf. So I mean, basically I just put it on for like 2 to 3 minutes, you know, unless I'm doing something. But most of the time it only takes a few minutes for me to lay my edges with my scarf. I know I be talking too much. Do I be talking too much, y'all? I know I be talking too much. Like, you talk too much. But I don't care. If you don't like it, don't watch my motherfucker video. Period. Like, period. And that's period. I think it's been a few minutes, so I'm gonna take it off now. And that, oh wait, no, actually, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of my spray, my little juice, my juju, and puff out my puff a little bit more. Like, shape my puff a little bit more. I mean, you just gotta play with your hair sometimes, get it a little bit more like up to par how you want it or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is the final look. My big head ass. Big head ass girl. Girl, you don't get yo. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped somebody out there, because I know we all know how to make a high puff. But I hope I helped somebody out there. And if you like my video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.